Guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can change your mouse cursor in Windows 10 or 11. So to do this, first open any browser. Now go to search bar and search open cursor. Now click to the first link, which is open cursor library, and select any cursor. Now I will select this one. And then click to download. So when it will be downloaded, go to File Explorer and then Downloads. Now right click to that downloaded file and then extract it. Now click to extract. Now it is extracted here in this folder, all the things. Now to apply it, go to control panel and then click to mouse. Now pointers and then click here on browse. Now click to this PC and then downloads. Click to the folder in which we have extracted. Now click to the cursor and open. Now apply it and it will be applied to your mouse cursor. Then click OK. And then your mouse cursor will be changed. So this was of today guys, and I will meet you in the next video.